And move on to Havish of Infiction Labs. Let's give him a round of applause.
Hello, good evening. Hope you're all doing well. First of all, I would really like to acknowledge and thank Brinc and each and every person from the Brinc team. They have really put a brilliant program and you guys are awesome. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Secondly, I would like to acknowledge you all for accepting our invitation and being here tonight. Thank you so much. My name is Havish. I have with me my teammate Gurdeep. We are the founders of Infiction Labs, a robotics company from Bangalore, India. Without further ado, let's jump into the presentation. But first, let me try a magic trick. Wingardium Leviosa. Yeah! What? This one works. So, we all know solar is big, it's getting bigger, and in the last 5 years, every solar power company and contractor has been on a wild hunt trying to find the right site to install their panels. It so happens, one of my uncles has a 2-acre warehouse. He was approached by a solar contractor to have a 1 megawatt plant on his rooftop. I didn't say this spell. So, the deal was reducto. Yeah. Invest $1 million and earn a $300,000 every year for the next 25 years. There it is. That was impressive. My uncle went ahead, had the installation done, but the contractor conveniently neglected mentioning all the maintenance that my uncle had to do in order to earn that revenue. So, unsurprisingly, in the next 3 months, his revenue was reduced by 40% thanks to all the dust on the panels. He hired a contractor to do the manual cleaning, and one day he drives by his warehouse to witness one of the most extraordinary feats, a brilliant cleaning technique ever witnessed by any man. Say hello to Spider-Man from India. So, that poor chap is standing on a 25-degree inclination at a height of 50 feet above ground level. He neither has the safety equipment nor the training to be up there doing what he was doing. And this is the state of solar panel cleaning in India, more or less around the world. It's labor intensive, it's expensive. Okay, any other spells you guys know? Sorry? Oh, it's dangerous. No spell, okay. So, my worried uncle gives me a call and tells, hey, you gotta do something about this. This is not working for me. I gathered my team, we had 2 hours of brainstorming, and then voila, we stumbled upon our $1 billion product idea. As in any labor-intensive process, the solution was obviously automation. And then we spent the next 2.5 years on Sparc. The vision of Sparc is to fully automate the operations and maintenance of a solar power plant. And this is the first step. This machine is a robot that moves around the solar plant, cleaning the panels autonomously with almost zero human intervention. It can climb slopes, it can cross panel gaps with ease. What we are proposing with Sparc is offering cleaning as a service, wherein we do end-to-end solution and provide educative and insight reports to the client. And that will take 85% of our revenue, which we have priced at around $10,500 an annum per megawatt. Oh, sorry. For clients who just want the product, we have also deployed a product model wherein we are going to deploy the machines and follow up with annual maintenance. Now let me throw a very interesting disclaimer out there. The solar power cleaning market is unbelievably huge. It's so unbelievable that we spent 3 months just validating these numbers. And it is set to reach $1 trillion very soon per annum. However, India, USA, Europe, and China, the 4 biggest solar power markets, spend $33.8 billion per year just on cleaning. And India and China together spend $5 billion. India alone spends a staggering $200 million, and this is at 1 cent per panel per wash. India is set to grow the solar market 8 times over by the end of 2020. There are a lot of solutions out there. They are either efficient and extremely expensive, or inexpensive and very inefficient. Sparc is just as efficient as its European counterparts and is priced at 3 times cheaper than its European counterparts. We have sold a semi-automatic machine to one of our clients. We have been servicing a lot of plants in and around Bangalore. We have also signed some letter of intents with Azure Power and Plasmaberry, and we are discussing with a lot of power companies in India. What we are asking for is $1.8 million. With this, we want to grow the team, expand the team, acquire key talent and resources. We want to turn our product into a manufacturable state. We also want to apply for patents in different countries of this world. We want to have finished 8 pilots by the end of second quarter of 2020, and we would have signed contracts worth 100 megawatt, which is around $1 million in revenue by the end of the year 2020. That's the team. I am Havish, the CEO of the company. I have some robotic experience. My friend Gurdeep is the CTO of the company. He was with Philips Healthcare for 4 years. Together, me and Gurdeep have deployed a lot of robots to the Border Security Force of India, the Navy of India, and the Forest Department of India. Manjunath is an engineer from the University of Southern California. He has embedded experience working 5 years with Oracle and 4 years with Intel. Deepak has deep experience in the renewable and the real estate sector. So, my uncle is extremely happy with the performance of our solution. He is very much at comfort, and he knows that his plant is taken care of for the next 25 years. The mission of Sparc is to deliver every solar investor, solar power company, and contractor to this state of contentment and completion. You can find us at our booth there. Thank you so much for your generous listening.
Thank you so much.